Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at something that I got curious about on Amazon at about 3 in the morning. Kind of the usual. Now, I have a strange feeling that I'm about to open stuff that is of the quality and caliber you might expect at your finest curb market and or convenience store on the shelf as you're checking out. And by this I mean like a random junk tool. I'm hoping I'm wrong, but yeah, I don't know. Let's just say it has that feel to it. Something in the, like, you find at Kmart, that kind of thing. Anyway, this thing is 15 bucks on Amazon, and I'll include a link in the description if you are curious about it, as I was. It's made in China, which is probably no surprise. It's the Dpnao multi-tool nail clipper, flashlight, something or other, bunch of other stuff. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. And we get some kind of instructions too. Alright, so this is the device, and then take a look at the instructions. Alright, so it's got a pin, or it's got an ear pick. It's got an ear pick. Y'all see that, right? You see where it says number 4 is an ear pick. That is a new one. We have a nail clipper, the handle of the nail clipper, the lock of the nail clipper, an ear pick, tweezers, knife, scissors, nail remover is number 7 there. Oh, a nail remover. Not nail like fingernail, but nail like pry bar. LED switch, ring holder, which I'm assuming is the key ring, and an LED light. Alright, so let's see. I guess first of all, the light. So the LED light does work, such as it is, although the placement of this key ring is questionable. Alright, so we got a little penknife blade. Not really sharp enough to be super dangerous. We have the bottle opener, I'm guessing, and the I don't know what this is going to remove. This looks like the feel of the metal for this is not inspiring huge amounts of confidence. Alright, so got that. Scissors. Alright. So that's everything on that side. Now, on the other side. Okay, so there's a little lever here. So you pull this little lever, and you get the nail clipper. Now the question is, how do we get it to go back in? I'm guessing I have to lift up? Yeah. Alright, so you lift up, and it goes back in. So you got those. I'm guessing right here you have the ear pick. Oh wow, I guess it is an ear pick. That seems like a thing. And then the tweezers. So yeah, yeah, that is a thing. All right. I think I'm putting these in backwards. I think they go in like this. That goes in like that, and I'm guessing that's about to. That one seems like it's about to fall out, so I guess I put it in backwards. So this goes in like this. So yeah, this is a Huh. Yeah. Alright. I'm thinking, if any of y'all were considering buying one of these, I might have saved you $15. Because this is very much something you'd buy at the curb market. Or at the checkout in Kmart. And yeah, this is ugh. All right. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.